In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshservice. Freshservice is a cloud-based IT service management platform designed to help your team handle support requests, manage assets, and automate processes without installing anything on your devices. Once you've signed up and activated your account, start by logging in at your service desk URL, typically something like yourcompany.freshservice.com. When you land on the dashboard, you'll see an at-a-glance snapshot of your operation. Open tickets that need attention, overdue tickets that require quick follow-up, and unassigned items that should be routed to the right team. Let's get comfortable with the interface. On the left, the sidebar navigation is your hub. You'll find quick access to modules such as tickets, problems, assets, reports, and admin settings. Use this to jump between what you're working on without losing context. At the top, the global search helps you find anything, tickets, assets, or users, so you can locate information fast. And whenever you need to log something new, the Quick Create button lets you open an incident, service request, problem, change, or release from wherever you are. Tickets are the backbone of Freshservice. To raise one, click Tickets in the sidebar, then select New Ticket. Fill in the key details: the requester, a clear subject, a concise description of the issue or request, the priority level, and the appropriate category. The more precise you are here, the faster your team can respond and route the work correctly. As an agent, you'll perform a few essential actions. Assign tickets to the right team or a specific agent so ownership is clear. Update the ticket status as work progresses. Move it from open to pending when you're waiting on information, then to resolved and closed when it's completed. Use replies to communicate with the requester and internal notes to coordinate behind the scenes with your teammates. If you find duplicates or multiple reports of the same issue, merge them to reduce clutter and keep communication centralized. When you're ready to tailor Freshservice to your organization, head into Admin. Here you can manage account configurations and customize how your service desk looks and behaves. Set up users, groups, and permissions so the right people have the right access. Configure your support channels, email, phone, chat, and more, so requests flow into one place. Define your end-to-end service delivery settings. Discover and manage assets and their related information, and track the health of your IT infrastructure operations. Finally, adjust project and workload settings to align with how your team plans and delivers work. That's the foundation of using Freshservice with confidence.